Welcome to Greatness, where we help you elevate your story. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time to meet the entrepreneurs who shaped our world. These are the daring individuals who dared to dream, dared to innovate, and in doing so, redefined the horizons of human possibility. Entrepreneurship, at its core, is about seeing a need and then having the courage and tenacity to fill it. It's about not just seeing the world as it is, but envisioning what it could be. Now imagine a world without the light bulb, the car, the computer, or the smartphone. Hard to picture, isn't it? Yet there was a time when these were mere figments of imagination, waiting to be brought to life by the daring minds of entrepreneurs. Our quest begins with the pioneers who ignited the spark of modern entrepreneurship. From the industrialists who revolutionized production, to the tech wizards who transformed how we communicate and interact, these are the trailblazers who've etched their names in the annals of history. First on our list is a man who needs no introduction, Thomas Edison of the light bulb. But he also pioneered the concept of mass production. His innovative spirit laid the foundation for the modern industrial world. Next, we journey to the heart of the automobile revolution, where Henry Ford's assembly line forever changed the way we travel. His vision brought mobility to the masses and set the wheels of the automobile industry in motion. As we move forward, we'll delve into the digital age, where the likes of Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Mark Zuckerberg redefine the way we work, play, and connect. Their innovations have not only shaped the tech industry, but also every aspect of our daily lives. In the world of e-commerce, Jeff Bezos' Amazon has revolutionized retail, transforming the way we shop. And let's not forget Elon Musk, who's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with his ventures in electric cars and space travel. So, buckle up as we travel back in time to the birth of modern entrepreneurship. Our first stop is the Industrial Revolution, a period that birthed some of the greatest entrepreneurs. It was a time of transformation, where industries were born and the world was forever changed. Among the titans of this era, two figures stand out prominently: Andrew Carnegie and John D. Rockefeller. Andrew Carnegie, a Scottish immigrant, started from humble beginnings, working in a cotton factory before he began to climb the ladder of success. He saw the potential of the steel industry, and with relentless determination, he built the Carnegie Steel Company. His business strategies and innovations in steel production played a crucial role in shaping the modern industrial world. Carnegie's philosophy of philanthropy, of giving back to the society that made him wealthy, also set a precedent for future entrepreneurs. On the other side of the spectrum, we have John D. Rockefeller, the king of oil. He founded the Standard Oil Company, which monopolized the oil industry in the late 19th century. Rockefeller's business acumen and strategic decision-making led to the creation of an empire that dominated the American economy. His influence extended beyond the oil industry, impacting the way businesses operate and compete. Both Carnegie and Rockefeller were pioneers in their respective fields. They revolutionized their industries and created wealth on a scale never seen before. Yet, they did more than just amass fortunes. They helped shape the economic landscape and set the stage for future entrepreneurs. Their innovations in business strategies, management practices, and philanthropy have left a lasting legacy. The Industrial Revolution was more than just a period of industrial growth. It was a time of change, of progress, of innovation. It was a time when entrepreneurs like Carnegie and Rockefeller dared to dream big and transform those dreams into reality. They challenged the status quo, pushed boundaries, and in doing so, they changed the world. From the steel and oil industry, these entrepreneurs laid the foundations of modern enterprise. Their legacy continues to inspire and guide entrepreneurs around the world, proving that with determination, vision, and a bit of ingenuity, anyone can make a significant impact. Next, we journey to the era of mobility, led by the indomitable Henry Ford. Our narrative takes a turn towards the early 20th century, when the world was on the cusp of an automobile revolution. This was a time when the horse-drawn carriage was the primary mode of transport, and cars were a luxury for the elite. At the heart of this revolution was an entrepreneur with a vision, Henry Ford. He believed in an idea that seemed impossible at the time: affordable cars for every household. To turn his dream into reality, Ford introduced a groundbreaking concept, the assembly line. This innovative method of manufacturing allowed for quicker, more efficient production, reducing the cost of automobiles. The Ford Model T, the first car produced using the assembly line, rolled out in 1908, and it was a game changer. Suddenly, cars were no longer just for the privileged few. They became accessible to the average American. Ford's vision brought personal mobility to the masses, a true game changer. As we move forward, we enter the digital age, a period marked by rapid technological advancements. With the advent of this era, two names stand out, driving the personal computing revolution: Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Bill Gates, a Harvard dropout, co-founded Microsoft in the mid-70s. With his vision of a computer on every desk and in every home, he brought computing to the masses. His software, Windows, became the operating system for the majority of personal computers worldwide, shaping the way we interact with technology today. Parallel to this, on the West Coast, another revolution was brewing. Steve Jobs, together with Steve Wozniak, founded Apple. Jobs' mantra was simple yet profound: technology must intersect with the liberal arts and the humanities. This philosophy birthed the Apple Macintosh, a machine that was not just functional, but beautifully designed and user-friendly. The rivalry between Gates and Jobs was legendary. They were the yin and yang of the digital age, two titans with different approaches. Gates, the software virtuoso, focused on compatibility and reach. Jobs, the design guru, concentrated on innovation and user experience. Their competition spurred technological advancements and the birth of the personal computer. Together they transformed garages into incubators of world-changing ideas. They proved that with a vision and relentless determination, anyone could challenge the status quo and redefine industries. They laid the foundations for the digital world we live in today, where computers are not just machines, but extensions of our lives, tools for creativity, learning, and connection. These two mavericks set the stage for the digital revolution. Their stories are not just about technology, but about vision, innovation, and the power of believing in an idea. They have shown us that the future is not something that just happens, it's something we create. From garage startups to tech giants, Gates and Jobs defined the digital age. Their legacies continue to inspire a new generation of digital pioneers, ready to take the baton and shape the future of technology. Our journey now takes us to the dawn of social media, a revolution led by Mark Zuckerberg. This unassuming Harvard dropout brought to life a platform that would forever change the way we communicate and share information. A platform we've come to know as Facebook. Zuckerberg's vision was simple yet profound: to make the world more open and connected. And in a little over a decade, he did just that. Facebook became a social media giant, connecting billions of people from every corner of the globe. It transcended borders, cultures, and languages, becoming an integral part of our daily lives. With Facebook, Zuckerberg didn't just create a website. He built a digital universe where we could live out our social lives. We could share photos, post status updates, like things, poke people, and even unfriend them. It was a new way of interacting, one that was instantaneous, global, and at our fingertips. But it wasn't all likes and shares. Facebook also sparked important dialogues, giving voice to the voiceless and bringing to light social issues that had previously been brushed under the carpet. It became a platform for activism, a tool for change, and a space for communities to come together and support each other. Zuckerberg's impact goes beyond the realm of social interaction. Facebook revolutionized the world of business too. With its targeted advertising and vast user base, it provided businesses, particularly small ones, with a cost-effective way to reach potential customers. It leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with an idea and a dream to reach a global audience. Zuckerberg's influence can't be understated. His vision reshaped the internet and the way we interact. He showed us that technology could bring us closer together rather than pull us apart. He challenged the status quo and in doing so, gave us a new perspective on what's possible. As we move forward, we're left to wonder, what will the next revolution be? Who will be its torchbearer? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Zuckerberg's Facebook changed the way we connect, marking a new era of social interaction. Next, we explore the e-commerce boom, pioneered by the visionary Jeff Bezos. In the mid-90s, the world was on the brink of a digital revolution, and a man named Jeff Bezos was at the helm. With a vision far beyond his time, Bezos saw the potential of the internet as a marketplace. Thus, in 1994, Amazon was born. Initially, Amazon was an online bookstore, a simple concept, yet revolutionary in its essence. It broke the confines of physical retail, offering customers a vast selection of books at their fingertips. But Bezos had bigger plans. As the years rolled on, Amazon's catalog expanded. It started selling music and videos, then electronics, toys, and a whole array of consumer goods. It wasn't just a bookstore anymore, it was an everything store. Bezos's innovative approach didn't stop there. He introduced customer reviews, allowing shoppers to make informed decisions based on others' experiences. He also launched Amazon Prime, a subscription service offering free 2-day shipping, streaming media, and other benefits. This evolution transformed the face of retail. Brick-and-mortar stores struggled to compete with the convenience and variety offered by Amazon. The company became a giant, not just in e-commerce, but in the global economy. Bezos's vision had come to life. From selling books to becoming a global marketplace, Bezos's Amazon reshaped retail, and it continues to evolve, shaping the future of e-commerce as we know it. Our final stop is the electric revolution, led by the audacious Elon Musk. Musk, known for his relentless pursuit of the extraordinary, has been challenging conventions and rewriting the rules of several industries. Tesla, his most notable venture, has transformed the automotive industry with electric cars. Musk's vision was to make electric cars sexy, fast, and efficient, breaking away from the stereotype of slow, unattractive, and range-limited electric vehicles. Today, Tesla not only leads in electric vehicle production, but also in autonomous driving technology, pushing us towards a future where carbon emissions from transport are significantly reduced. But Musk's ambitions don't stop at the Earth's surface. With SpaceX, he's pioneering the private space industry, making space exploration more accessible and affordable. His ultimate goal is to colonize Mars, a vision that has sparked a renewed interest in space exploration and science. From revolutionizing transportation on Earth to reaching for the stars, Musk's audacious dreams are driving us towards a sustainable and interplanetary future. He has demonstrated that with relentless pursuit and risk-taking, we can challenge the status quo and create a future that once seemed like a distant dream. From electric cars to rockets, Musk's vision is driving us towards a sustainable future. As our journey concludes, let's reflect on the indelible mark these entrepreneurs have left on our world. From the dawn of entrepreneurship, we've seen how the audacious visions of these pioneers have defined and redefined the contours of our reality. In the era of the Industrial Revolution, we witnessed the likes of Andrew Carnegie and John D. Rockefeller, who laid the foundations for modern industry. Their relentless pursuit of progress ignited a spark that continues to burn brightly in today's entrepreneurs. We then entered the automobile revolution, a period punctuated by the genius of Henry Ford. Ford's assembly line concept not only revolutionized the auto industry, but also set a precedent for mass production that still influences manufacturing today. As we transitioned into the digital age, we were introduced to the transformative minds of Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Their contributions reshaped our lives, ushering in an era of unprecedented connectivity and convenience. The social media revolution followed, a wave that was led by the likes of Mark Zuckerberg and Jack Dorsey. Through their platforms, they've redefined communication and created a global village where ideas, news, and even revolutions are shared in real time. The e-commerce boom, spearheaded by the audacious Jeff Bezos, brought the marketplace to our fingertips, forever changing our shopping habits and expectations. Next, we moved into the electric revolution, where the innovative spirit of Elon Musk is challenging the status quo of transportation and energy, pushing us towards a future that is both sustainable and exciting. These entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds and industries have collectively shaped the world we live in. They've challenged conventions, pushed boundaries, and dared to dream big. They've shown us that with determination and resilience, it's possible to turn ideas into realities that can impact the world. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, these entrepreneurs have shaped our world. Who knows? Maybe you're next. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the ages of entrepreneurship. It's fascinating, isn't it? How these iconic figures have shaped our world time and again. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these entrepreneurs resonated with you the most? Who do you think we missed? Drop your insights in the comments section. Let's keep this conversation going. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.